Good day. I'm H.A. Futterman, Professor of Broadcast Standards here at Kids WB, and you've just witnessed Relaxovision. Relaxovision is a process that inserts calming, mirthful images into scenes that might be too intense for the kiddos watching at home. For example, Freakazoid's extremely violent brawl with the demon ninjas was replaced by a soothing scene of fishies as they think their happy little pleasant thoughts. Now settle back and get ready to enjoy the first cartoon ever broadcast in calming, safe, kid-friendly Relaxovision.